In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background noise on your InShot videos. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So I have here a video on my timeline and it contains audio, but it has a lot of noise. To remove that noise, it is quite simple in Shortcut. All you need to do is to go over this menu here and then look for audio and then tap on it. Once you tap on the audio, go ahead and tap on the timeline here, and then it will give you this volume option. Below it here on the left corner, you can see we have this option called denoise. Go ahead and select it, and then this will go ahead and filter out all the noise. And once it's done, just go ahead and tap on this tick, and here we go, you will be done. So that's how you remove background noise on your videos on InShot. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.